If your life feels like a cartoon, you need health insurance. Accidents happen, even in animated worlds. Don't let a banana peel ruin your day. Let's be real. Cartoon characters are always getting into trouble. Anvils falling, slips on banana peels, mysterious illnesses. Sound familiar? That's where health insurance jumps in. With health insurance, you don't have to worry about surprise medical bills after a wild mishap. Need a doctor? Covered. Hospital stay after a piano falls on your head? Covered. Even regular checkups to keep you bouncing back? Yep, covered. Plus, health insurance gives you peace of mind. Instead of stressing about costs, you can focus on living your best cartoon-worthy life. From tiny tummy aches to epic accidents, insurance helps with medical costs so you can get back to the fun faster. So whether you're dodging anvils or just want to stay healthy, health insurance isn't just for cartoons, it's for everyone. Stay safe, stay covered, and keep your story rolling. Y'all,